Sandro, magsisimula na ang summer.
Yes.
At ano ang pinaka-importante during the summer season?
Abs?
Para sa'yo. Para sa akin,
Healthy,
health
syempre.
and wellness. At saktong-sakto dahil ngayong umaga, mapapag-usapan natin ang tinatawag na ATM, Butterfly Meditation Effect. So ano kaya ito?
Actually, ngayon, magandang pasukin natin yung meditation kasi alam natin sa buhay ngayon parang very stressful, lalo na sa mga nagtatrabaho. Minsan napaka-toxic ng araw nila. And sometimes, alam na natin yan na kumbaga stress leads to a lot of different sicknesses and diseases. So talagang kailangan malaman natin kung paano natin ma-manage yung stress at syempre kung paano natin masusolusyonan yung mga ganitong klaseng problema through this butterfly effect. Yeah.
Oo nga, at malalaman natin kung ano yan kasama ni Dr. Arlie Emperio, isang health and wellness consultant tungkol sa ATM Butterfly Meditation Effect. Good morning po.
Good morning at natutuwa sa pagkakataon na to na maging guest ng inyong show.
Yes.
Good morning, boss.
Yes. Doc, siguro first, para na ma-start off natin, kumbaga yung butterfly effect, bago natin siya pasukin, alamin po muna natin kung ano nga ba yung function niya talaga para sa tao. Kasi may kinikwento po kayo about the body of the person being tatlo po yung body natin, hindi lang po iisa na physical body.
That's very true. Kasi kung gusto natin maging healthy, una, ma-realize natin na tatlo ang bodies natin. We have the physical body, the emotional body, and the mental body. Pagka nagkasakit tayo, pupunta tayo sa doktor. The doctor will treat the physical body. Pero sino ang doktor ng mental and emotional body mo? Walang iba kundi ikaw. Hindi ikaw pala ang doktor. O ngayon, marunong ka bang i-treat yung mental and emotional body mo? Ang solusyon, yung butterfly effect. First, you will focus on two bodies, the mental and emotional body. First, you will focus at the center of the head. Yan ang mental body. Then you will focus at the center of your heart. Yan yung emotional body. And then you focus it. Meron kang ilalagay doon na parang antibiotic. Yung antibiotic nun, 11. You put in the vibrations of joy. Ano yun? Vim, vigor, vitality, health yun. Peace, power, prosperity, life, light, and love, and kindness. 11 yun. Ibabaon mo yun doon sa center of the head and center of the heart. While at the same time, focusing na nag-e-expand yung center na yun with white light. Ginagamit mo yung visualization, yung white light, to put your attention at the mental and emotional body. So palalakihin mo yung white light na yan to cover the entire body.
Okay.
And then let it expand to cover the entire home, your loved ones, your community, your barangay, buong Pilipinas, buong mundo. Just maintain that for about 30 minutes. Ngayon, how do you do that? Di ba, 11 yun. You focus on each one, mga 2 minutes each. So, mga 20 minutes na yun, right? 2 minutes sa joy, 2 minutes sa vim, vigor, vitality, 2 minutes sa peace, power, prosperity, 2 minutes sa life, light, love, then 2 minutes sa kindness. So, that will be about 15-20 minutes. Then, stay on your focus at the center of the head and at the heart for 30 minutes. So, kagaya sa sakit, pag bibigyan ka ng doktor ng prescription, bibigyan ka ng antibiotic, at sasabihin sa'yo, kailan mo iinumin yung antibiotic na yan? At gaano katagal? So, sa treatment ng physical and emotional body, ganun din. O you focus at the center of the head and the heart in order to help you in your focus, visualize white light, and then put in the vibration of joy, vim, vigor, vitality, peace, power, prosperity, light, life, love, and kindness for 30 minutes.
Okay.
And then yung time, alas 8 ng gabi. So, the treatment is every night at 8 o'clock up to 8:30 Philippine Standard Time. Nakafocus ka doon. And then, kagaya sa medicine, sasabihin ko sa iyo, re-resetahan ka ng antibiotic. Iinumin mo ito ng 2 linggo. May scheduling yan. Ito, 40 days. 40 days mo, ipofocus yan. Gagalaw na yung mental and emotional body mo. Ang scientific explanation yan, nakabaon sa inner mind natin, the subconscious mind, lahat ng mga basura tsaka magagandang bagay na dumating sa buhay natin. Kasi lumilitaw
Yes.
Yung basura, yun ang nagdadala ng sakit. So actually, the cause of sickness at the physical body is coming from the inner bodies, which is the mind and the emotion. Ginamot natin yung physical body. Hindi naman natin ginamot yung mind and emotion. Hindi kumpleto ang healing mo. Pero ngayon, probably for the first time, we are revealing to you the technique. Itong technique pala ay ni-reveal ng Achievers Dynamic Systems International o kaya ADSI. So if you would like, by the way, to get all the information, mga 10 techniques yan, I'm just discussing only one. You just go to the website, adsi.com Info, adsi.info.
Okay.
All the 10 techniques on how to heal your mind, emotion, and physical bodies are revealed. And one of them is the butterfly effect. But to me, that is one of the most important technique. Kasi una, madaling gawin, alas 8 ng gabi. Kaya lahat ng mga may sakit, kung may sakit po kayo, di ba, nagpapahinga ka, nasa bahay, hospital, ano ginagawa mo? Nakatunga ka lang, nakatingin ka sa kwarto mo, nakatingin ka sa television. Kaya nga kami mga doktor, sabi namin pahinga ang pasyente para ayusin niya yung mental and emotional body niya. Kaso hindi niya alam. So ang gagawin mo lang ngayon, at 8 o'clock at night, you focus at the center of the head, center of the heart, with white light. Let that white light expand, but at the same time, feel. So do not think about it, kasi feeling ang vibration dito. Joyfully. So joy. And then if I repeat, vim, vigor, vitality. Yan ang mga seeds Peace, power, prosperity, light, life, love, and kindness. Pag gumalaw yan, you will be healed mentally and emotionally. Kaya lang, Carla, may bonus yun. You will develop the X factor. Ibig sabihin ng X factor, maski anong trabaho pasukan mo, you will succeed. Maski anong business pasukan mo, you will succeed. Kasi iba na yung mental and emotional bodies mo. The 3 bodies are integrated in one powerful system, and that is the technique. So just do that every night from 8 o'clock to 8:30 Philippine Standard Time for 40 days straight. Like in medicine, I give you an antibiotic, take it for 2 weeks, take it regular time. Ganon din sa mental and emotional body.
Yes.
Doc, matanong ko naman po, bakit 8 p.m.?
Yun, actually, kasi sabi pa ni Doc, 8 to 8:30 p.m. Philippine Standard Time pa.
So talagang very specific
parang bakit po
Very specific siya because for the first time, we are doing this to help the world. It will start in the Philippines, kaya nga Philippine Standard Time. Lahat ng mga kaibigan natin sa buong mundo, let them join the butterfly effect at the Philippine Standard Time context. So, kung anong oras ng alas 8 ng gabi sa Pilipinas, sa California, sa New York, sa Hawaii, they just synchronize. Because there is one scientific, very important principle. We call this collective conscious vibration. When a particular thought and feeling is focused at the particular area, it creates a certain level of vibratory effect. Usually tayo, pinababayaan natin yon. So, ang vibration negative. Kasi negative tayo Pero when you focus on joy, vim, vigor, vitality, peace, power, prosperity, light, life, loving kindness, positive vibrations po yun. When you do it individually, your vibration at the level of thought and feeling and body will be positive. Ngayon, if we do it collectively, it will create the third mind principle. Kaya nga sabi nga ni Christ, when 2 or 3 are gathered, I am there. When the first and the second mind combine, it will create a third mind. Kay Napoleon Hill, ang tawag yun, mastermind principle. So if we can do this collectively, the vibration of our country will immediately change. Kasi we're starting it in the Philippines. And anybody worldwide can also join us, therefore the vibratory effect will go worldwide. Ngayon, akala mo ganun lang yun. Pero sa totoo lang, we are surrounded by oceans of thoughts or thought forms na negative in nature. Ngayon, pag hindi natin ayusin o linisin yan, it will precipitate and attract its physical equivalent. Like in our body, the physical equivalent manifested. But what manifested physically, what was going in our mind and heart. Hindi mo inayos yun, tinrit mo lang yung physical level, patuloy ang sakit mo. Kasi hindi total healing. Pero ganun din collectively. We are surrounded by an ocean of negative thoughts. Soon, it will precipitate at the physical level. Ang pag-precipitate sa physical level, ano ibig sabihin yun? Pwedeng lindol, pwedeng baha, pwedeng bagyo, pwedeng El Nino, or anything that is negative in nature, but it went through the environmental or physical level. We can correct that collectively. So, ang goal natin, 90 million po tayo sa buong Pilipinas. Kung 1 million po, sasabay ng alas 8 gabi-gabi, posible magbabago ang takbo ng vibration sa buong Pilipinas. Imbis na sinasabi nila ang Pilipinas magulo, maraming calamity, bakit magiging paraiso ang Pilipinas? Kasi ang vibration ng 1 million Filipinos is on joy, vim, vigor, vitality, peace, power, prosperity, light, life, and loving kindness na sabay-sabay. Yun yung alas 8. Yun yung butterfly effect. So probably if I may ask, bakit butterfly effect? Kasi alam natin yung butterfly parang paro-paro, yung pakpak niya parang it's flying but slowly. very gentle. Pero ang butterfly effect ganito. Simple lang na galaw, malakas ang tama. Very strong. That's why butterfly effect. You may call it the tipping point. Sometime in a game, a little coaching sa key player mo will turn the tide towards victory. Yun po yun. Kaya simple lang yung 8 p.m. butterfly effect. Kasi simple lang, but it will create, mind you, it will create a very powerful effect over the Philippines. Kaya natutuwa ako na nilapitan ako ng staff dito sa PTV4. Oh, Doc, pwede ka pa mag-guest sa show ng Good Morning Boss. Sabi ko, basta pag-uusapan ko, butterfly effect. Ito, kaya nandito tayo ngayon. Because for the first time, probably, we'll be revealing this technique nationwide. Mauuna ang Pilipinas at susunod ang buong mundo. And when that happens, the Philippines will be blessed. And probably we can turn the tide on the many rumors of war, earthquakes, pestilence being heard in many places.
Yes. Sir, talagang dami nating natutunan ngayon tungkol nga dito sa butterfly effect. At kumbaga paano natin magiging mas positive about our situation personally and syempre as a whole para sa ating buong bansa. So siguro ngayon na lang baka meron tayong huling mensahe para sa ating mga manonood ngayon. Para na rin talagang tuluyan nilang ma-adapt nga sa kanilang lifestyle itong butterfly effect, 8 p.m. butterfly effect.
So, first, pumunta sa website because lahat ng details nandun. Tsaka, the butterfly effect is just only one of the 10 techniques. If you can follow all the techniques, then you will be very, let's say, effective and successful and achieve anything in life. So, ADSI, www.adsi.info. So, adsiinfo.com.
Alright,
Okay.
yan. Maraming salamat po sa inyong ikwento sa amin at I'm sure ako, maski ako mamaya, Carla, check ko yung website na yan para din, kumbaga masimulan ko na kasi kumbaga 40 days yun na habit na sasanayin na natin na kumbaga on our own personal level, let's see what we can do to help ourselves na rin, diba?
Alam mo, naniniwala ako dyan, yung parang kung positive ka, parang nakaka-attract ka ng positive
Yes,
things.
correct.
So, napakaganda na napag-usapan natin itong butterfly effect. Thank you so much. That was Dr. Arlie Emperio, a health and wellness consultant.
Maraming salamat po sa panahon ninyo ngayon, ma'am.
Thank you po.
Hey, Doc.